Justin here, back at it again. Hope you're all doing well. So what we have going on today is we're going to show you how to put this power angle on the Polaris Sportsman 22. This is an 850 2-up. So yeah, let's get back to it. And I love the sound that it makes. You got 4 bolts at the top. They are hex heads. Be careful not to strip them out. They're only good for 1 or 2 times. And then you got a hex head down here. And those are number 13s. And that is a 5 mil for the pan heads. And then you'll have 1 screw here, 1 here, 1 over here, 1 here, 1 here, and then you'll have another screw right here in order to get this cover off here, and then this one here. So I was trying to figure out which way to put on this harness because it's not very the directions aren't very clear. So you got to find this what looks similar to this here, and that will be wired up to your winch, and you have to disconnect your winch in order to get it off. There's 4 bolts that hold it on back here, 2 here, and then 2 on the other side over here to get your winch off. But this has to be mounted lower. It can't be mounted up near the battery, otherwise it's not going to work. And then what you want to do is make sure you wrap this with electrical wire tape so water doesn't get where these electrical. As you can see, you can still see metal there, even on this one as well. So make sure you tape both of them just to be safe, or just at least not prevent it from corroding. They also has this extra wire for your power, for your control here. They don't send an extra cable to wire up to your battery, so make sure you got some different connectors before you start this project. And Polaris, if you're watching, please move this wiring harness. It restricts the airflow, along with this one right here. Just make more room. I mean, there's plenty of room that we could work with over here. I mean, otherwise we're just restricting our airflow and doing more damage to everything else. Or have the plow wiring somewhere in this area, I mean, so it's easier to hook up. Yes, I'm using my Honeywell heater to shrink wrap my wires. And for the plow, I drilled a hole through the plastic, put a screw up here. Figured this looked the cleanest. They didn't have a spot to actually put it. Even though it says in the instruction that they have a spot for it, they don't. So just try and find a nice clean spot for yourself and you should be all right. So now that we got our electric angle hooked up, make sure that these pins, when you put it on, make sure this is extended out so that the wider surface of the pin is on the top side. Same thing goes with this side here. So let's see if our angled plow works here now. So I'm just going to raise it up to get off the ground a little bit more. And then now for the left and right control switch. I took out the existing 2 screws that holds on the brake handle, and then the 2 spacers that it comes with, one for this side and then one for that side, and then the nuts I put on the bottom of it just to be extra secure. And then we can pretty much start putting everything together right here, and we should be ready to go. So in order to get the plow on, this handle here has to be all the way up. Make sure you put it on the mounting side mounts here. There's one on each side. And connect your winch up. And when that happens, when you raise it up, it's gonna snap into place. Right down on there, it'll snap into place when you raise it up, and it'll lock in. And then when you come, once it's locked in, push it back down into place. This is one of the best hand cleaners out on the market. The Zep Cherry Bomb is better than Gojo. Sorry, it is what it is. No, I do not sponsor these guys, but if you guys are looking for a quality hand cleaner, Zep is the way to go. So that's how you guys, that's about it really. I mean, as far as hooking up, you're all ready to go. And took me a lot longer, unfortunately, just because the instructions aren't as clear as they should be, and that's why they want you to bring it into the dealerships. So they make, money on it, obviously, but, if you're mechanically inclined, there's no reason why you can't handle this job, and this is how to put the power angle on the plow for the Sportsman 850. Hope you guys have a good day. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and take care. And then for our next video, I'm going to show you how to put on the 2-inch receiver and get rid of your stock 1 1/4 receiver.